Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am so excited because we are going to be doing December's BoxyCharm unboxing. So you guys know that I absolutely love BoxyCharm. I have been a subscriber of theirs for probably almost 3 years now, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it is the perfect way to build your makeup collection and even skincare collection on a budget, pretty much. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, pretty much it is a monthly subscription where you get either makeup, skincare, sometimes hair care. They do have 3 different boxes: your base box, which is $25 a month, premium box, which is $35 a month, and your luxe box, which is an additional $25 to the base box every 3 months. So March, June, September, and December. So this month BoxyCharm sent me a base box to review for you guys and to just share with you guys. This video, however, is not sponsored in any shape, way, or form. They just sent me the box just to review it and to share it with you guys. So I already have been doing this for a really long time, where I have been doing BoxyCharm unboxings and try-ons. So I usually use the products in the box to create a look, and then I share my thoughts with you guys at the end of the video. This is what our BoxyCharm looks like, just in case if you guys are new here and don't know what BoxyCharm is. This is what the subscription box is. I personally love watching BoxyCharm unboxings before I actually get my box, because I like seeing what other items came in the box. So I'm gonna jump right in and share with you guys what came in this month's box. So the theme is bubble and glitz. This is what the little insert card looks like, and on the back we have all the information as well as the variation number, which is number 59, just in case if you guys are wondering. First item in this month's box is this LMS Glow Primer Moisturizer, a kombucha glow moisturizer that is perfect for all skin types. So you can use it as a primer, or you can use it just as a moisturizer to give yourself a little bit of a hydrated glow to the skin. I used it as a primer and it works really well. It is not greasy at all. It just gives you a nice, beautiful glow that I think is perfect, especially for the winter time, because our skin can tend to look kind of dull and lackluster in the winter time. This item right here for $49, which is almost double the price of the box. So already we're off to a good start. Then the next item in this month's box is the Viseart Seamless Eye Primer. So this guy right here is gonna help to make sure that you get a crease-free application on your eyeshadow. It will help it wear all day, as well as make your eyeshadows a little bit more vibrant. This is the applicator on it. It is a little squeeze tube, which I personally like the squeeze tubes because I feel like you have a little bit more control. And it does retail for $24. Viseart is a really great professional makeup brand that actually is from Paris. I have tried their eyeshadows before, never their primer. That is that. And then the next item that we got is Luxie Iconic Eye Set. So these are what the brushes look like. Obviously they are used because I did use them to create this look that we have on our eyes today. We have 5 different eye brushes right here, and I've shared with you guys my thoughts on Luxie brushes, but I will share with you guys my thoughts on these brushes at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But we have a pencil brush, a small tapered blending brush, a small shader brush, a large shader brush, and a flat definer brush. And I'm pretty sure I already have some of these brushes, but you know, you can never have enough brushes. That's kind of how I see it. And then the second to last item is this Artist Couture Caliente palette. So this is what it looks like right here. It's super vibrant, and then when you open it up, these are the shades right here. So you get 8 different eyeshadows, you get 3 shimmers, and the rest are all matte, and you get a really good size mirror as well. It's definitely something very intense, and I didn't think I was going to be able to create a look with it, but obviously you guys can see the look that I created, and I will have a tutorial on this coming up, so make sure if you guys want to see this tutorial, I'll have the timestamp down below for you too as well. But this guy here retails for $30, which I think is a really great price for this eyeshadow palette. And then the last in this month's box is the Ofra Cosmetics Banana Powder. So this is what it looks like right here. I actually have this powder in my freelance kit in a compact, but I feel like this powder kind of worked a little bit better than the one that I already owned. I don't know if it's just me, but banana powder I feel like is something that is really popular. Oh, and it actually kind of smells like banana too, if you smell it. I didn't even notice that. It says it in here that it is a matte powder that is lightly banana scented and extremely versatile. versatile. So this pretty much what it's going to do is it's going to help to conceal dark circles, set your face in foundation, and brighten up your skin. It is going to give you a matte finish, but I don't feel like it gives you a super dry matte finish. So basically banana powder is really like known by Kim Kardashian. She made it super famous. It's gonna kind of like accentuate your face and bring things forward and make everything look a little bit brighter. And if you have really purpley like under eye bags or like even other areas of your face that are really purpley, it's gonna help to cancel that out. So that is everything that came in this month's box. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that came in this month's box. If you guys want to see how to recreate this makeup look right here that I think is actually pretty perfect for the holidays, then just continue watching. Starting off with the Elemis Superfood Priming Moisturizer, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the back of my hand. It just gives you a beautiful fresh glow, which you guys can see on my skin as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So we're going to go ahead and use the Viseart eyeshadow primer, and I just went ahead and applied that and blended it in. Probably don't do it as vigorous as me. Filled in my brows, and then we're going to go ahead and use the Luxie brushes that came in the box using the Caliente palette. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the bright orange and the small blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that shade into my crease. You guys can see how pigmented this eyeshadow is and so vibrant as well. And then I went ahead and took a Morphe brush. I know I cheated a little bit, but I needed it for the hot pink shade, just to kind of give me more of a diffused look, using the pencil brush with the medium brown shade and just blending that into the lash or the liner shape that we're creating right here. Kind of want to wing everything out, blending everything together, and then taking the large shader brush with the shimmery orange and applying that closer towards the center of my eye and just blending it outwards towards the pink. Then taking some of the shimmery champagne-y color that has a little bit of a pink undertone, applying that on the inner part of my eye and just making sure that it all blends in and kind of creating a little bit of a like half cut crease shape. Then I'm taking a large blending brush and just blending out the edges. Then I'm taking my banana powder from Ofra, and you guys can see the difference on how bright it made my under eyes. I love this because it's going to go ahead and cancel out any purple that you might have underneath your eyes to just give you more of a brighter effect, and it helps to color correct that as well. And this is what it's looking like. I don't know why I kept that shot in, but anyways, I'm applying some blush to my cheeks from my Scott Barnes palette. I know that this did not come in the box, but I just thought I would show you guys my blush technique. I'm applying a little bit on my nose, and then I'm also going to take a little bit of highlighter, and that is pretty much it. So that is the finished look. This is what I came up with here, and I'm actually pretty impressed with this makeup look. I did not think that this was going to come out good, but it actually came out way better than I even anticipated. I did forget to show you guys what I did down here on my lower lash line. I just took this shade right here, this like bright pink shade with the flat definer brush, and I just kind of followed the shape of the bottom of my eye right here. And then I took a different brush. I took this brush right here and the gold shade right there, and I just kind of put it right here in between the pink and this pink right here, because it was this empty space. And then I kind of put a gold eyeliner right in here just to kind of make it look like it all flows together. I feel like it just adds a little bit extra something to the look. You obviously don't have to do that, but I kind of liked it. Overall, I think this is a really great box. And obviously, I'm not just saying that because BoxyCharm sent this to me. You guys know that I keep it 100 all the time. But before I tell you guys my thoughts on the box, I wanted to share with you guys the lip combo that I have on my lips because I think it's really pretty, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm trying to get better at like sharing those details. So on my lips, I have the Gerard Cosmetics Melrose Lip Liner, topped with Myra Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Blushing, and then I just topped it with a little bit of MAC Soar lip gloss, just to give me a little bit more of a juicier look. I feel like it just kind of makes everything look really glamorous. I feel like glossy lips are super like popular right now, so but this isn't like super obnoxiously juicy. I have nothing negative really to say about this box. I usually kind of have like an item or two that I don't really like a lot, especially, you guys know how I feel about Luxie eye brushes, but I will have to say that this eye brush set right here is probably the best eye brush set that Luxie has out there, because all of these brushes, all 5 of them, are really dense, and they're not flimsy, especially like this brush right here. Like, it's just not flimsy. Usually the brushes Like they're just, look, I'm gonna show you. I think this is actually the same. No, this is just a blending brush. So you guys can see how this brush is just super flimsy. Like I can easily bend it over. This one, if you can see, it has a little bit more like bristles in there, so it makes the brush a little more dense, which I like because I feel like you have more control whenever you have a dense brush. Whenever you have a super fluffy brush that's not dense at all, I feel like you're not going to have control. You're not going to be able to place the products down correctly. And I feel like all the other brushes are really essential brushes too, that I feel like people usually wouldn't have. And even this brush right here, the large shader brush, I really liked it. I feel like it was a really quick way to just kind of apply the eyeshadows. And then the eyeshadow palette I was pleasantly surprised with too. I've never used Artist Couture eyeshadows before, but I have used their highlighters and I absolutely love them. So I was kind of surprised with even the look that I created because I had something in mind. Obviously it wasn't exactly how I envisioned it, but I kind of really like how this came out. Like I feel like it is really fun, really vibrant, bold, and pretty. Kind of getting a taste for pop of color. Like even this yellow gold color right here, it looks like a lime green, but it's actually a really pretty like goldenrod yellow. I kind of use it to just like blend out the colors and kind of diffuse everything and make it look more smoky and fiery. I feel like it's still, I don't know, I just really liked it. I like the vibe of this. I feel like this is something that is really going to help people get out of their comfort zone and just kind of play with pops of color. And obviously you can mix this with another palette. The eyeshadow primer, I was also really digging the eyeshadow primer too. I feel like it really did make my eyeshadows just blend out really easily, made them nice and vibrant. At first I thought it was going to be really greasy, but once it sets, I feel like it really does create that like crease proof like base that you need to make sure that your eyeshadow isn't going to go anywhere at all. Glow primer, I really liked it as well. I feel like it wasn't greasy at all, but it still gave you a nice hydrated bright look. I love the little glow that it gives. You guys can kind of see a little bit right here. This is my hand with it on. This is my hand without it on. So you guys can see how it just gives you a fresh little nice hydrated vibrant look. You could also use it like if you do like a no makeup look and take it and just put it in the high points of your cheek and like your nose, maybe your inner corner, anywhere where you want to look a little bit more bright. And I feel like it'll just give you a really subtle lit from within look. The banana powder, again, I think I mentioned this in the beginning. I really like this a lot. I don't feel like it is super like drying at all. It's almost like a creamy matte finish, and I feel like it really did a really good job with brightening up my under eyes without making them look obnoxious. It's a really good shade of yellow. So overall, the box retails for $150-ish. I don't know exactly. I'm trying to do this math in my head, but I kind of lost myself. I didn't write anything down. I think it's like $153 value for $25. I think it's such a steal, honestly. And the fact that you kind of can customize your box a little bit by being able to pick at least one item from the box, I think is absolutely awesome. And another thing too that I feel like is super important to mention with BoxyCharm, if you ever get a box and you don't like a specific item, it is so important that you leave reviews on BoxyCharm's website and let them know exactly which items you didn't like and why you didn't like it. And the reason why I'm saying it's important to do that is because I've been doing that, and anytime I get like an eyeliner I don't like or something like that, I feel like they actually read the reviews, because I for the most part always get items that I like. Obviously you're gonna probably get one or two items that just might not work for you, because these are all items for the most part that you probably don't have, that you've probably never used before. So you might have an item or two that just isn't gonna work for you. That's just how it is. Not every makeup item is made for every single person, but it is important to just leave that review so that way BoxyCharm kind of knows and they can better curate your boxes. That is all that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have an awesome holiday. Let me know what you guys got in your box and which item was your favorite, and also let me know down below what videos you guys want to see from me in the future. And if you like these type of videos, give it a big thumbs up so I know what videos to make for you guys. And also make sure that you guys do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new content. I do have my little Christmas like week of videos called Michelle Mess that I do every single year, that I will be doing this year too. So let me know what kind of videos you want to see for that, because I need some ideas. I need 7 videos for a whole entire week. This will probably be the last video before I post those videos from the Shellness. So definitely leave your ideas, requests down below so I can film that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then.